gas spider heater. So supposedly that blocks air. I can't say that much, but we don't need it here. And there's really no big problem. The only thing is, I didn't have a socket or an open wrench big enough to fit that. 1 inch is too small, and 1 1/8 is too big. So I'm sure it's a metric size, which I don't have anything near that big. There's my plug. I got it on. And here's my jumper wire. You might not be able to see it. Goes close. Oh, it goes from right there all the way to right there. There. So next, I go for that switch down there. Or where's that switch? Oh, right down there. There, the dirty one, obviously. Of course, it doesn't look that bad, but you know how that goes. Okay? Later, Gator. Love you.
Bye-bye.